Hello friends, today we are going to differentiate between hanging and strangulation. Hanging. Hanging is used for suicidal purpose and strangulation is usually used for homicidal purpose. Hanging. In case of hanging, the face is usually pale, and in case of strangulation, face is usually congested. In case of hanging, bleeding from nose and mouth very rare, but in case of strangulation, bleeding from nose and mouth very common. In case of hanging, injury to muscle of neck are rare, but in case of strangulation, injury to muscle of neck common. Hanging, neck usually stretched, but in case of strangulation, neck not stretched. In case of hanging, no sign of struggle, but in case of strangulation, sign of struggle is present. In case of hanging, abrasions and bruise around ligature mark is rare, but in case of strangulation, abrasion and bruise around ligature mark are common. In case of hanging, dissection of ligature mark reveals dry and glistening white band of subcutaneous tissue, but in case of strangulation, dissection of ligature mark reveal echymosed subcutaneous tissue. In case of hanging, fracture of laryngeal cartilages and tracheal rings are rare, but in case of strangulation, fracture of laryngeal cartilages and tracheal rings are common. In case of hanging, fracture dislocation of cervical vertebra common in judicial hanging. And in case of strangulation, fracture dislocation of cervical vertebra are rare. Thank you for watching video. If you like this, please subscribe and share it. Thank you.